watching Finance with Pradeep on HyBiz. And here we are sitting with Pradeep sir, who has 14 years of experience in the field of finance and investment. I'm somewhere little skeptical or afraid in investing in stocks to start with. So, can I invest with real estate? Can I go? I mean, is that feasible? Is that okay to start with? Would it be safe for me?
Yeah, so that's a very good question that you asked me. What you're saying is many people have an apprehension about getting started with the stock markets or buying particular stocks,
Yeah.
which is quite understandable, because with stocks, what happens, the prices tend to go up, then they tend to go down. Some people find it really difficult to digest all that volatility. But here is the thing, right? If you are an employee who's getting started on your investing journey, maybe you're making 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 a month, and you have a savings of 10,000 rupees, right? So how much will it cost you on an average to buy a piece of real estate? Maybe a crore, maybe a couple of crores, right?
Right.
So any good metropolitan city, you look at it in India, it'll take you at least upwards of 50 lakhs even to buy anything. Of course, even in the stock market, there are ways in which you can invest in the real estate market. But if you're talking about physical real estate is a great way of, if you invest in the right real estate and wait for the right amount of time, definitely you'll start seeing the results. But at the same time, the amount of capital required to get started on your investing journey is quite huge, right? If you have to accumulate 50 lakhs, 1 crore of rupees to start your investing journey, you might have to wait 10, 15 years. But I want you to understand that money has time value, right? So there were times when a cinema ticket had barely costed 2 rupees in a deluxe, in an air-conditioned theater. Now we are spending what, 400-500 rupees. That is the inflation. So you can't wait for you to accumulate that kind of a critical mass to get started on your real estate investing journey. That is why I encourage students to learn. One of the best investments that you can make is an investment in your education. When you learn from the right mentors, the people who have already been there, who have walked the path of investing or financial freedom, and then you invest in the stock markets in an informed way, then you can start building your portfolio, right? Even with 10,000 rupees, even with 5,000 rupees, you can still start your investing journey.
Right.
As you start building your critical mass, as you start accumulating more and more money, right? Once you get financial education, because please understand this, there was a lockdown, we have faced several difficult situations, but not a single working day that the stock market was closed. Because the entire economy, whether it is the economy of India, whether it is the economies of the world, operate on the stock market. Because the biggest companies in the world are all listed companies in the stock market. So why should you restrict yourself? Why should you deny yourself an opportunity to learn this skill, right? I completely understand the point of view, but I would recommend that you continue investing in stocks, following the proper principles of risk management, understanding the concepts properly. And of course, if by God's grace you reach a stage where you are able to buy real estate,
Right.
then definitely go for it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So viewers, after seeing the episode, if you have any questions regarding finance, investment, mutual funds, stocks, real estate, you can always ask Pradeep sir. What you have to do is follow HyBiz and write down your questions or comments in the comment section of our channel. Thank you.